How to plant Mirten plant for bonsai and ornamental plants for beginners. Mirten plant or plant with the scientific name Malvagia caxigera is one type of shrub plant originating from the Dutch East Indies and popular as a bonsai plant. This Mirten plant has characteristic trunk not so big but hard, has small twigs, protruding and elongated. The leaves of this Mirten plant grow dense, small-sized wavy with generally jagged shapes of dark green and light green. This Mirten plant has a small white flowers with yellow in one part. This Mirten plant also has a fruit that appears at a certain age, red Mirten fruit with buds at the edges. Plants with other names. A bit of this Taiwan other than used as a bonsai plant is also used as an ornamental plant fence. Mirten plants can grow fertile in all types of soil in areas with an altitude of about 800 meters above sea level. Here's how to plant Mirten plant for bonsai and ornamental plants for beginners. More. 1. Preparation of Mirten plant seeds. Mirten plant propagation can be done by planting through seed or by way of cuttings. If through the seeds can be pre-installed on seed media in the form of a mixture of soil and manure or compost with a ratio of 1:1. Samaka until the seeds grow into seeds as high as 10 to 15 centimeters newly transferred to the actual planting medium. Seeds from seeds have bonsai plants. 2. How to plant Mirten plant. First, make a planting medium with the same composition as the seed medium, which is mixture of soil and manure or compost fertilizer with 1:1. If planting media is ready, then plant the seeds with the desired direction and position, but the root must be completely covered. Make a mound to cover the root of the base of the top bar. After that, do watering with enough water so the plants do not wither because of drought. 3. How to take care of Mirten plants. Treatment of Mirten plants can be started from watering as well as fertilizing by using liquid fertilizer every 1 week to 2 weeks, just enough. Form the plant as desired by using soft wire so as not to damage the stem bark. Remove the wire and set aside the mound to create a beautiful bonsai plant with unique root and stem direction. So we are discussing about how to plant Mirten plant for bonsai and ornamental plants for beginners. Hopefully the videos we present can be useful for all of us. Also watch our next video every day at 6 p.m. See you later and thank you for visiting our channel.